Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change device name on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so if you want your cell phone network to be easily recognized such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, network, and also quick share, then you can change the name on your device so that it is easier to recognize by other device. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this guys. And then now you can scroll down till the bottom. And then now you can go to about phone menu. And on the device name you can click rename. And then you can change the name so that it's easier to recognize by other. And if you're finished now you can click done, and so yeah, your device name has changed. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.